So we're going to continue with the activity. Activity 11 says, complete the blanks with those words, right? We have here. So while you are working, I'm going to give you the meaning of some words that you don't know, right? Maybe fidgeting is one new word for you, maybe, right? Some of you could know it, right? And good for you. It's really good for you that you have vocabulary. So fidgeting is to make continuous or small movements that annoy other people, right? Especially when some people are sitting on the chair, they start to make this kind of continuous and small movements, right? And it's really, I think, disgusting. I really can't stand it, right? So let's check. Number 1 says, his eyebrows as a sign of disapproval. What do you think goes here? He raised his eyebrows as a sign of disapproval. Then we have number 2. He was his head trying to decide what to do. This person was thinking, was worried. He was, okay, that's it, good, scratching his head. 3. Stop your nails, please. We see this in action, especially in comics, when the characters are really nervous, they start doing this. Stop biting your nails, please. 4. Her mouth wide when she saw Peter enter the room. She was really surprised when she saw Peter enter the room. She opened her mouth wide, right? 5. Her nose to show how disgusted she felt. She wrinkled. 6. His eyes because he felt so tired. He was rubbing his eyes because he felt so tired. 7. He got and didn't know what to say. He got tongue-tied. He had no words, right? 8. Stop fidgeting on your chair. It's annoying, right? So please, as I told you before, you have to check your answers. If you did it well, oh sorry, I told you that it should be with green. I'm sorry. Please do it with green. Check your answers. So I know that you are working and you are watching the videos and you are interested, right? Please check your answers. Check them, please. With green color or green pen, right? Check your answers. Ready? Did you check? Okay, good. So now we're doing the next activity. That is about everyday English. Everyday English teaches you the common phrases native speakers use in a daily routine, right? So in everyday English, and you are going to learn a lot of words and a lot of phrases that are commonly used. So let's see. Number 1. Did you hear There was an earthquake and 10 people are dead. What would you answer? Really? How horrible. Or B. They weren't, were they? Which one do you think is the right answer? Okay, good. Really? How horrible. In number 2 we have, what size are you? I am a 10. 3. Can I see your ID, please? Which do you think is the answer? Here you are. Can I borrow a pen, please? No problem. Could I have a contact number? 02077711010. 6. In my opinion, we should all ride bicycles. I totally agree with you. 7. Thank you very much. My pleasure. What did you think of the plot? It was exciting. I wonder if you could help me. Of course. 10. Could you make it on Friday, the 10th at 9 a.m.? That should be fine. 11. You're always interrupting me. Oh, I'm sorry. And 12. I twisted my ankle and I can't walk on it. Which one do you think is the answer? Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. So, as the previous activities, you have to check your answers, right? Checked. And so, those are the 3 videos we have for this week. And see you on Tuesday next week. Remember that you have homework, right? The first homework is the writing. You have to write an email about your favorite book, right? The instructions are on EduSoft, right? So please follow the instructions, do the activity, and send to me your homework, right? And also you have activities at live worksheets. So please do the activity and click on finish. Then you have to print the worksheet, stick it in your notebook, and that's it, right? So please do it. You have to send to me the picture of your worksheet sticked in your notebook, right? That is the other homework. So, see you on Tuesday. Please, the harder you work, the better you get. Practice a lot, and listen to music, watch videos. We have plenty of time to do those kind of activities, so we can improve our pronunciation, our writing, our speaking, so many things, right? So, bye bye, take care.